In this program, we are going to understand the use of modulus operator. This is again what you have already covered in the use of arithmetic operator video. And this is basically used to calculate the remainder when you divide two numbers. This is also called modulo operator. So here what we need is we need two numbers from the user. So again, with the input message, we are asking the user to enter the first number. Because that will be in the text form, we are converting it into integer using this int and storing the result in num1. Likewise, we are asking the user to enter the second number, doing the typecasting and storing it in the second variable. And after that, we are taking a third variable called remainder and applying the formula num1 modulus num2. So what it will do is it will divide the first number by the second number, and modulus will store the remainder in this particular variable. So here the name of the variable is remainder itself. After that, we are printing the result. So here this is a message followed by the name of the variable which is storing the value.